It's you and me.
Hey you guys, so happy Sunday. Today we're going to do more of like a vlog style YouTube video because I think that you guys are kind of wanting to see more, and I think I'm wanting to see more, so we're gonna do that. We are going to do like a day in the life of Shar, and you guys can kind of see my like eating habits and what I eat in the day and what my Sunday routine kind of looks like. So I'm gonna show you guys all of this fun stuff. So let's dive into eating some food because eating right now is a must because I am starving. So as you guys know, I go to Chris's on the weekend, so I come home and I usually have a grocery haul and I have some food. So we're gonna cook first and then I'll show you my haul of what I bought. So hang on.
It's my voice talking cheap on the telephone. It's where I've been. It's the proof that I waited to say I'm wrong. Stuck inside my head that November. You know I never been the type to get up and surrender. That's how I feel. I don't ask, you don't sell, find a way to deal. Standing in the sun mid-December, listening to the songs that I know you love. Take me back in.
Okay, you guys, grocery haul. So chicken at Save-On was finally on sale. So you usually get about 4 to 5 breasts in these packs, and they are freaking amazing. $10 for a pack. Normally they're like $17. I cash in whenever they go on sale because the last 3 weeks I've been without chicken, so I bought 6 because I was going a little crazy. Then I bought almond and coconut blend silk almond coconut milk, I guess. It's unsweetened. I love this stuff so much. I always drink almond milk or cashew milk. We came across this and it is so delicious. Ingredients are pretty good. Of course, it's always better to make your own almond milk if you have the patience and the time. I just honestly don't. But there is no carrageenan in this, something that you guys should be mindful of if you're buying almond milk or any processed coffees or made coffees, stuff like that. Just be careful of that kind of stuff. Spinach, so I bought a big bag of spinach. And I also bought a cucumber and I bought parsley. So I found this smoothie recipe online. So I'm going to make green smoothies. I'm just going to bite the bullet and do them without fruit and just like suck it up, which is going to suck, but I'm going to do it. So that is the plan. And I meant to buy coconut water and I totally forgot. So coconut blend, I'm going to put a cup of this in and see if that kind of suffices the need. And then I bought 3 broccoli crowns. I still have one in the fridge that I have from last week. I'm obsessed with making broccoli with my meal prep in the week, so broccoli is like the way to go right now. And I also bought green beans. I try to buy like 2 to 3 different vegetables to make it like to have variety, so that way you're not getting super bored. And I also did buy mushrooms. Oh, they're behind me on the floor. I bought organic cut up mushrooms, so I have these and I've got a pepper in the fridge still, so I really try to like make a few different meals throughout the week and meal prep so that way it's not all the same boring stuff. And then I found this, it was on sale for like, it was only like 50 cents off, but it's Red Crown pomegranate and it's 100% pure organic cold press, not from concentrate, so no sugar added, no water added, no preservatives. It's actually like a pure form of pomegranate juice, which I thought was awesome because I want to try and drink some of this periodically because pomegranate is crazy good for your urinary tract health, and drinking like the stuff like the, not Welch's, but I don't know what the brand is, Ocean Spray or whatever, it's not even pomegranate, it's just like pure sugar. So I bought this in place of that. So that's kind of like my mini little haul. I just did a quick one. I basically went for chicken. Okay you guys, so that is done. I just filmed my review video for the Gymshark Ombre collection that I have. Guys, let the meal prep commence. So I've got olive oil in the pan ready for the chicken whenever I cut it up. I've got quinoa, so I did an entire box of golden and black quinoa. It's about 500 mils of water and then 225 grams of quinoa. This will do me probably, I'm thinking, around 8 to 10 meals. That's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting probably around 8 is what I'm kind of speculating. Then I've got the broccoli here. I'm just waiting for everything to start boiling. But I'm going to do broccoli and then I might do some green beans after that I have for my haul so you guys can kind of see I like to have a variation throughout the week, so I'm not eating the same green thing every single day. And then the chicken, so there's 4 breasts of chicken in this pack. So what I do is I have these in half. So I will cut them so you actually get 8 protein sources out of this. So this will do me for also the entire week. So I'm going to have that up right now and then put that in the frying pan. So as you can see, I cover the chicken, so you can season it however you like. I like to season it personally with like natural, more natural herbs that are healthier for you. You use cumin, chili powder, basil, oregano, whatever you like. And you cover it for about, usually I do it the duration of the quinoa or rice that you're cooking, so it's like 12 to 15 minutes. Usually about 10 is where I put the chicken on, and I kind of just check it after 10. The idea is keep the lid on, keep the moisture in so it stays juicy. And you don't need to turn it, it just, because they're so thinly sliced, they will cook for within about 10 to 15 minutes. Same thing with the quinoa, and then the, of course, broccoli or any vegetables you're doing, depends on the vegetable, but I let it boil for a while, and basically if you like it crunchier, take it off sooner. If you don't, then leave it on longer. Okay, you guys, basically all in all, that is essentially how my meal prep looks. I don't follow any type of like portion control, or like I don't count macros, or I don't count calories or anything like that. I just more so intuitively eat. So I've come to a point where I have like figured out exactly how much food I need to fill me up. So as you can see the portions I had there, I usually add another vegetable, or I add spinach on top of that to amp it up and make it more vegetable based. I bring tons of snacks to work, so if I do get hungry between meals, I do eat snacks like almonds and rice cakes and granola, like that kind of stuff. So that is like my basic go-to. I eat that 5 days a week. I try to mix up the veggies every week, and I season the chicken differently every week. I usually eat a different type of quinoa or rice throughout the week, so that way you don't get super bored. And if you're someone who can't eat the same thing every day like I do, then you can make 2 different variations. So just like double what I did and make like different variations of something. So you could like do like sauteed ground meat and then do half that with like quinoa, and then do like chicken and rice for the other half of the week, or like mix it up, right? So whatever you kind of want to try or do, or different vegetables. But that's kind of like my basic of how I eat. So clean throughout the week, and how I stay lean and in shape is pretty much because of that. So that is my Sunday meal prep. It literally, you guys, took me like half an hour. Like you cut everything, you prep it, you get everything cooking all at once. You do your dishes as you go. Like don't start piling the dishes like in the sink. Just like do it as you go, and then you're done in no time. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, I guess.
We all wanna be a little stronger. Each fall takes a piece out of our hearts. So I'll run away into the darkest parts of me. I need a change desperately. I thought love was a lost art, till you showed me some sanctuary. Now I never wanna let you go, never gonna let you go, until we're both on souls running out for love. You were there with open arms when I thought love was a lost art.
enjoyed this day in the life of Shar, meal prepping, grocery shopping. I usually try to finish the evening with some yoga. Yeah, I had fun, and I'll share with you guys more if you like, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video that I put out, and don't forget to subscribe down below, you guys. And leave any comments, give any questions about my yoga sequence or anything that I did in my meal prep or anything throughout the day. I hope you guys have an amazing day and that you're counting your blessings and being grateful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.